phrase often thrown around in the field of conservation is a healthy stream. You may hear one of us naming a stream healthy, or keeping streams healthy, or even sometimes only part of the stream is healthy. Well, what makes a healthy stream healthy? One important aspect of a healthy stream is its riparian zone. A riparian zone is the area of soil close to or touching the stream. A healthy stream needs to have lots of vegetation and trees near the stream to keep it healthy. That's because the thick, strong roots of the trees and plants keep the soil from eroding into the stream when it rains, and the tall leaves shade it from direct sunlight. Additionally, having a gradual slope rather than a steep drop-off allows more absorption of rainwater into the soil rather than it all rushing into the stream. Another aspect of a healthy stream is the amount of sunlight it receives. Contrary to what you would think, a shaded stream is much healthier than a sunny stream. Most fish in streams need cool temperatures in order to survive, especially in the mountains. If a large portion of a stream is stripped of trees and shade, the water temperature will rise significantly, rendering that part of the stream uninhabitable. Keeping a stream shaded with plenty of overhanging trees will keep it cool and the fish healthy. One factor that heavily affects the health of a stream is runoff. Runoff is any sediment, chemical, or debris that drains into the stream when it rains. Streams that are near farms, roads, and cities tend to have a high amount of pollution from pesticides from farms or oil from cars rushing into the stream. To take it a step further, this kind of runoff can increase the amount of nitrogen inside the stream, causing algae to grow faster. This leads to something called eutrophication, where the algae uses up the oxygen in the water, suffocating the fish. Diverting or slowing runoff can help protect the streams and keep oxygen levels up. Outside of pollution, streams also need to be meandering and have lots of natural obstacles in them. Fallen trees, rocks, and organic debris can promote pooling and slowing of water. The crashing of water against rocks and shifting of water flow creates bubbles and mixes more oxygen into the water. Lastly, a recent trend the populace has been following is stacking stones using river rock. Although pretty and deemed a meditative exercise, these have some negative effects on the stream ecosystem. Some fish and salamanders, such as the critically endangered hellbender, use large river rocks to live under. If these rocks are removed, they can be exposed to other predators or swept away by the stream. Other small wildlife, such as caddisflies and mayflies, use the underside of these rocks as well to lay their eggs under and live within the stream. Keeping these rocks inside and along the stream bed can help preserve these fragile ecosystems. Some of these things may seem easy to avoid, but in our modern society, it's hard to keep streams protected with how industrial humans have become. Then how do we protect these streams? Land protection and land conservation projects can help fortify or restore streams. Some of these ways include diverting rainwater into channels to slow runoff, planting flowers and plants in the riparian zone to slow erosion and add shade, reducing the use of pesticides to reduce pollution, reducing cattle traffic on farms, and lastly, enjoying the stream without altering its natural beauty. All in all, land conservation allows us to manage and protect precious habitat that would normally be encroached upon. What would you like to learn about next? Leave your questions and curiosities below about conservation, and we'll try to make a video about it. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.